everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Colors of Pakistan, Unit 7, Grade 4, Part 11, based on One Nation One Curriculum. So let's start. Grammar. Pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. This is my favorite painting. Dash is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. Uzma and Asma are neighbors. They study together. They should come here. Can Dash borrow your Kashmiri dress? Can I borrow your Kashmiri dress? Umar is very busy today. Dash is preparing for the competition. He is preparing for the competition. Use of be, do and have with pronouns. The verbs be, do, have and their different forms are used as main and helping verbs. When they are used as helping verbs with the main verb, they help the action of the sentence. For example, he is playing with a football. The verbs be, do and have are main verbs when they are used alone. For example, she has a doll. Pronouns be, do and have as main verbs and be, do and have as helping verbs. I am angry. I have a rabbit. I am reading a story. I have memorized the lesson. We did our homework. We had a house. We did not go there. We had bought a house. Pronouns be, do and have as main verbs, be, do and have as helping verbs. You are late. You had a backache. You are going to the mall. You had eaten a sandwich. She is cute. She is cute. She has two siblings. He has two siblings. She has two siblings. He was writing a story. She was writing a story. He or she has gone shopping. It is a small bunny. It has beautiful hair. It was jumping. It has drunk water. They have a bicycle. They had no bicycle. They have played football. They do not play cricket. Write sentences using be, do and have as main and helping verbs with the given pronouns. So this activity is for you. You will do it yourself and I'm going to find out how you have done it and I'm going to tell you the winner of the answer of this question will be. So I am going to tell you in the next video. So I want you to do this and send me so that I can see it and I'm going to tell you who the winner was. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.